Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the new crab pet from Roblox Adopt Me. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the eyes. Draw 2 circles in the center here, and color them both in black. Now draw another circle around each eye. Next, under each eye, draw a set of curved lines down. And then close off each with a small curve. Next, let's draw the claws before drawing the body. On the right, draw a curve here. And then another curve at the top like this. From the bottom of this curve, draw a line to the right and then curve it back up. And now another curve inside here. From the top line now, draw a curve out to the right and down. And then close it off with a line across. Now do the same thing for the other claw on the left. Let's draw the rest of the arm now. Under the right claw, draw 2 curves down like this. Now a line for the bottom. And then close it off with a small curve. Then at the end, draw a circular shape around. Now do the same thing on the left side. Let's draw the body next. Draw the top of the shell above the eyes like this. Now draw another curve across the middle here between the eyes and then continue down the other side. And lastly, a curve here for the bottom of the body. Next, draw a few bumps on the shell like this. The last thing now is to draw the legs. Draw 2 legs on either side with U shapes. And that's it for this cute crab pet. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.